Are you someone who's interested in earning cash back, but you're not quite ready for a credit card? Well, in today's video, I will tell you about a product you should absolutely consider, so keep on watching. Hey guys, your girl Bella, how are you? So in today's video, I will be telling you all about the Discover Cashback Debit account. Now before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my future videos are posted on YouTube. So the Discover Cashback Debit account is basically a checking account where you can earn 1% cash back on all purchases up to $3,000 a month. So basically, if you max out this benefit, you can earn $30 a month. Now I know that might not seem like a lot of money, but it's a lot more than the 0% cash back that you're probably earning on your current checking account. Now, while you can earn cash back on your purchases, there are certain transactions that will be excluded from earning that 1% cash back. And I'll kind of go through those one by one. So first on the list would be ATM transactions. Anything like cash withdrawals would definitely be excluded from earning 1% cash back. Next on the list would be purchases of things like money orders or any other cash equivalents will be excluded from earning 1% cash back. Now, any transactions where you're sending cash to someone using Zelle, Cash App, or Apple Pay Cash would not qualify for the 1% cash back. Now, next on the list would be any cash back on debit card transactions. Let me explain. So let's say you go to Target and you spend $80 on purchases of home goods or groceries, whatever, and you decide you want to get $20 in cash back. Your debit card would be charged for $100, but you will only earn cash back on the $80 portion of that total. Now, while I do love the 1% cash back benefit of this account, there are some other great benefits that are offered as well. So I am now going to highlight the top 4 features or benefits that I thought were the most valuable. Now, I selected these 4 benefits primarily because Discover is offering them to you at no additional cost, while other banks are charging you for the same exact service. So the first benefit that I thought that was really valuable is there are no fees for return deposits or insufficient funds. So for example, if someone writes you a check and then you deposit that check into your checking account and then it bounces, Discover will not charge you a return check fee. Most other banks will charge you a fee anywhere from $30 to $40 for that bounce check. So the next benefit that I thought that was really valuable is there are no fees for official bank checks. Now I know most of us don't need bank checks all that often, but when we do, it is so annoying having to go to the bank, wait in line just to take out your money, and they charge you anywhere from $10 to $20 for that bank check. So with Discover, there is no fee. You can order it online and the check will get expedited delivery at no additional cost. Now, the third benefit that I thought was really valuable is there are no fees to order checks. Now, I know most of us don't use checks all that often, but every now and again you do need to write a check. So Discover allows you to order checks at no additional cost. So I actually opened my account today and I was able to order a box of checks, which included 150 checks for free. And they're going to ship it to my home for free. So I thought that was pretty cool, even though it might be a bit antiquated because most of us don't write checks all that often, but still a benefit that other banks would charge you for. Now, the last benefit that I thought was really valuable is there are no minimum balance requirements or monthly maintenance fees required for this account. Now, I know that might seem pretty superficial, but considering all the great perks and benefits that you are getting with this card, such as earning cash back, free official bank checks, free personal checks, so on and so forth, you are getting a lot of features and benefits for free. Now, other banks would only offer these kind of services or benefits to their higher end or high end clients, meaning those clients that have really high average daily balances or monthly balances in their checking accounts. So that's why I thought this benefit was worth mentioning. Now, if you do want to open your account with Discover, I'll put a link to the website below. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I myself did open my checking account with Discover today, and the process took me less than 10 minutes. It was really easy. I had to put in my name, my address, date of birth, and my social security number, and that was pretty much it. It was really simple. Now, I did have the option to add funds today or at a later date. So if you don't have money to open the account today, it doesn't matter. You could always do that at a later date. Now, you do have a few options to add funds to your account. You can actually link your current checking and savings account to this one and then transfer the funds. Or you can do a mobile deposit using the app, so you can deposit a check or money order. Or you can set up direct deposit. So you have quite a few options to add money to your account. Okay, so now that I've gone over all of the details about this account, I want to give you the pros and the cons of this account as I do with all of my reviews. So the first pro or great thing about this card are all of the benefits that you are getting for free. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, the 1% cash back, the free official bank checks, the free personal checks, so on and so forth. These are definitely great benefits that you're getting for free. Now, the second great thing about this card is it's definitely a great way to get your foot in the door with Discover. Even if you may not be ready for a credit card or want a credit card today, you might change your mind down the road. So by already having a great relationship with Discover, it could help you get approved for cards down the road. Not guaranteed, but it doesn't hurt. Now, Discover does have some pretty great cashback credit cards, travel credit cards, or if your credit is not that great, there is a secure credit card, and I actually did a review about that card, and I'll put a link to that right here. So definitely something that could help you and can't hurt you down the road. Now, let's go over the cons or downsides of this account. So the first thing that I would have to say is the fact that it is a Discover card. So as we all know, Discover is not as widely accepted as Visa or MasterCard. So before you do decide to open this account, make sure that the websites you shop on or the stores that you shop at frequently actually do accept Discover. Now, the second downside of this card or this account would be the fact that there are no brick and mortar locations for you to go to. So if you are someone who gets paid in cash, for example, you don't have a bank to physically go to deposit that money. So you would literally have to go to the post office or Walmart, so on and so forth, to get an actual money order to then deposit your money into your account. So think about that before you open the account. Also, if you are someone who prefers to have that face-to-face, in-person contact when you're dealing with issues with your account or just to bank on a daily or monthly basis, this would not be the account for you. With this account, all of your communication with the bank will be either online or over the phone. So if you are not comfortable with that kind of communication when it comes to your banking needs, this would not be the account for you. Alright guys, so that is everything you need to know about the Discover Cashback Debit account. Now if you did find this video useful, feel free to hit that like button. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll talk to you soon.